Alright guys, the WordPress block editor is what you're supposed to be using by now in 2003. So if you are still using the classic editor, the WordPress may not have the help for you in Play Store on your WordPress website. So if you want to switch to the block editor, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to switch your post or website from the classic editor to the block editor. Okay, so let's get started. So one of my websites is on classic editor, so I want to switch it to block editor here. So to start with, you want to go to dashboard here, and you want to scroll down to settings area. When you hover over to the settings, and this thing is going to show up. So you want to go to written. So here is where you're going to be setting up the block editor. So you want to set this website as, you want to set block editor as the default for our written, and you want to change this to yes. So you want to allow users to switch. So this will allow us to switch from classic editor if you like, anytime you like. So you want to click yes, you want to tick yes here. And when you finish, you scroll down here and you hit save change. So now our website is now using block editor as default plugin for editing our post. So right now, if you want to change it back, you just go back here and change it as classic, then you leave it as yes to allow to switch, and you save back again. So here is this place where you can change from classic to block. So now let me show you how you can change from block, how you can switch within your page. So let's say you've written a post on classic, you want to change it to block. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So to do that, if it is block, if it is new page you want to write or new post you want to write, go up here, you click here, and you can create new post here or new page here. Or if you want to go from your dashboard here, just hover over here, so you can see all your posts, all the posts on your website here, or add new here. If it is pages, you just hover over here, so you can see all your page here, all your pages here. And if you want to create new, you can create new. So let's say I want to use one of my page here, one of my posts here, and it's on classic editor, so I want to switch it to block editor. So let's go ahead and choose and see all my posts. So let's say I want to switch this one here to, so let's say I want to switch this page right here, this post here, I want to switch it, so it's on classic editor, so I want to switch it to block editor. So you can just click here and edit it with block editor from here. So it's automatically change it from here to block editor. So if you like, you can also click here, this will change it to classic editor. So let's click here now and edit it with classic editor. This is the first method. The second method I'm going to show you within the post itself. You finish your post now. You've written your post. You finish with your post. You've add your everything you want to add on this post here. So you want to switch it to block editor. So you just scroll down here and go down here. You're going to click switch to block editor. So if you don't see this box here, that means you've never set it up at the settings area, at the written area here. So to see this box here, you have to set things up here first. You have to set the box, you have to take the box as yes, not no. So if you take yes, so this box will show up. So it will allow you to switch from classic to block, from block to classic. So now let's switch this post right here to block editor and see how it goes. So to properly change it to the block editor here, you want to click this line here, So you want to click it. So it's going to show this one up. So to convert to blocks. So we're going to click convert to block. And when you click convert to block, this post here is going to convert to block. And you can be able to edit it and manage your post with the block editor. So your post right there. So if you want to switch back to the block editor, just go here. So you can switch back to classic editor here. So you want to switch back. Let's say I want to switch back to classic editor. I'm just going to click here. This one's going to show up. It's a leave. And I'm going to change back to classic editor. So that's how you do it, guys. If you have any question or anything to say about this tutorial here, please let me know down below. Leave all your comments and anything you have to say about this video. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.